Alright, welcome back to the channel. We have a quick video for you guys on TAPCONs and how to fasten to concrete. We were making a couple of shorts with this guy. I had a comment that said, any tradesman that says TAPCONs loses my faith. I'm not trying to call anybody out, but it makes me think that maybe you guys aren't... Maybe you don't know how to fasten concrete. I've got some concrete here with a couple of holes in it, so this wouldn't be an ideal subject to be fastening to, so that's what we're going to be fastening to. For starters, 3/16 inch is good for 1/4 inch TAPCONs. 1/4 inch bits are good for nailets and these very common standard sized anchors. So let's get straight into it. Here we got our bit. I like the short ones. If you watch the short that I just did, we busted the corner of this off and bent my bit. It happens. All right, here we go. Kind of teetery. That's okay. Here we go. Holy. We're just going to set that guy here. There we go. Evacuate the hole, clean it out, blah, blah, blah. Look, I've driven too many TAPCONs to listen to anybody else. I don't even know how many TAPCONs, guys. Probably more than 10,000. No joke. There you go. We can lift it up. We can hit it. All right. Next, you know, if you want to attach to concrete and never ever have to worry about it again, you want to use a 1/4 inch. You can use the trade name Nail It. These you hammer in there. This nail expands that. That's more or less in there forever. I can do another video on how to actually remove these. But for now, we're just gonna hammer that in there and we can pick this up by the nail. It's not even all the way in there. Let's do another TAPCON for good measure. Or, no we're not, we're gonna do this. Here's a expanded anchor, very reliable, works for sheetrock too. Tap that in there. Everybody likes these in brick, and I would have to agree. These work with brick. I'm going to explain why my love for TAPCONs is because pan deck ceilings with concrete, which is very common in the construction industry. That's what you use. You get a box of these, they come in 100. It's got to be more than 10,000, maybe 20,000. Ask any construction electrician how many TAPCONs they've driven, and they'll tell you TAPCONs is the way to go, 100%. You need one bit and you need one screw, and it's a standard 5/16. There's no two-step process. If you're in residential and you're doing brick, yeah, these are probably better for you. Even nailets are a good option if you never want things to move. And that's usually the case in, you know, residential settings. You might want something that you can rely on, that you never have to go back to that house and ever worry about. Commercial buildings are another story because things are always changing. In 5-10 years, things change. You need to be able to remove things. So TAPCONs is the way to go for professionals, for especially construction. Let's do another TAPCON. We're doing this short style. We're not even going to edit this video, I don't think. Oh, come on. Everything's always fighting. There you go. What do I think is the best hold? Would be these. And sure, I guess I'll show you how to remove these right now. So let's do that. Let's get a hammer. Bro, how do we not have... Oh, there's a hammer right there. Hammer. Garage is a mess. So what happens if somebody has hammered that sucker all the way in there? Well, I'm going to have to use the tripod for this one. So...
Hey, awesome news. GoPro kind of froze, did some sketchy stuff. Lost all the content, but let's get 20 likes on this, and I will make a part 2 on how to remove these nailets. If not, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.